Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your speaker with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or in your browser, it's the same. Just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. This can fix this problem. Now, if it didn't help you, I recommend it to restart your phone. I use the speaker right now with my phone, so I should restart this phone. If you use the speaker with a tablet or PC, you need to restart tablet or PC. And if restart didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, at the top of your speaker, we have controls. At the left side, you need to press and hold at the same time play pause button and volume up button for at least 2 seconds. You will hear the prompt and you can release your fingers. Or you can keep holding until the LED light turns off. It's up to you. Press and hold. I just hear the prompt, so I release my finger. And we should see, as you can see, there is no LED light. Then I recommend it to turn on the speaker. So press and hold at the power button. And then we should reconnect it with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click forget this device button, but you may have forget button or forget device button or unpair or remove. And forget device. You will remove it from your phone. Without it, if you try to reconnect, you tap at this button. And on iOS, it will ask you to remove the speaker. On Android, it will show you connectional problem. So, after you remove it, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you have Realme, and you will have Refresh button right here at the device list. Tap at this button. Or maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth. Or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now, then, you should see your speaker at the device list, but sometimes it happens with the speaker, like right now, that it do not enter pairing mode automatically. So, if you have the same, if you not see it, at the back side of your speaker, we have Bluetooth button, single press at this button, this LED light start blinking, you will hear the prompt, so we enter pairing mode. And now we should see it at the device list. Tap at your speaker, and we just reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.